Today, I'm going to show you a home that's going to disappear faster than the Epstein list. What? Come on, was that not funny? Anyway, this house is prettier than a politician's promise on election day.
Damn!
What? In all seriousness, the house I'm about to show you is going to sell fast. So, if you like what you see, well, hesitation will likely lead to devastation. Not only is this house priced extremely well, but the builder is offering a 5.49% mortgage rate. You'll find all the details for this home in the description below. Let's go check it out. If you're looking for a big, beautiful house in Eagle Mountain, Utah, you're going to love this house. This home gives you over 5,200 total square feet and over 3,100 finished square feet. You also get a third acre. So let's take a look at the outside and then we'll step inside and give you a tour. One thing you should love about this house is all that stonework. Look, you got all the big windows there. House is very unique, good looking house. You can see 3-car garage. You got space on the side here for an RV pad if you so choose. I love that little window there over the garage. And then look at this covered front porch. It's just beautiful. Okay, let's step inside. Okay, so one thing you'll see here is nice tall ceilings. You got a coat closet right here. And it's even 2-tiered. Check that baby out. Right here you have an office or a bedroom, depending on how you want to use this. But once again, this one gives you all the windows right there. We're going to step into the corner here. Matter of fact, let's step into this corner right over here. So I just want to give you guys a feel. This can be used as a bedroom because you have your closet right there. But you do have the glass door. So nice space here in this room. Okay, there's the upstairs. We'll check that out in just a minute. That's the way down, which we'll check out last. And then you have your half bathroom or powder bath right here on the main floor. Okay, so let's check out the family area first. Check this room out, guys. Nice big space, and look at those ceilings. They're like a mile high. You got the nice windows right there to let the natural light in, and then look at these windows right here. It looks like a sliding glass door, but it's just windows. The door's on the side over here. Show you that in just a second. And then look at this kitchen. This is just beautiful. A lot of space here. That island is massive. Let's get a top view of how big that is. You can see that island is huge. You got the double ovens right there. And we'll just cruise on through. Nice tall cabinets, by the way. And you've got the gas stove. And then look at the size of this pantry. You got the glass door there. And this thing goes all the way up there. And if I step inside, you can see tons of space. All right, so again, just want to give you a feel for all the space. And then we'll check out the dining area really quick. Once again, what you notice with the dining area is all these windows right here giving that natural light. And then let's go ahead and step out into the backyard super quick. Look at this rear covered porch, which is amazing. Once again, you have all those windows letting in that natural light. And then the backyard, look how big this backyard is, guys. This is a 1/3 of an acre. And as a bonus, the neighbors have already put up their fences. So most of your fencing is already taken care of. So stepping back into the dining area, just want to take a look at the kitchen from here. And I just really like to give, especially this part of the house, I like to give you a view from every corner. Okay, so we've got this big, beautiful room here. We've got the master bedroom right there. Let's go check out the garage first. Okay, so right here you got a nice big laundry room. Got cabinets, countertop, and then you got a little bench here in the mudroom. And then this is your 3-car garage. So you can see they've got a door going out to the side yard here. And there's your 3rd garage right there. Stepping back inside, let's go check out that master bedroom. Okay, so once again, you can see nice tall ceilings, lots of windows. Step in this corner right here. Got the ranch door there, the barn door. Nice tall door here as well, leading into the closet. And this is a big closet. Look at this. I don't know, maybe I should step inside. I think it's big enough. This could basically be bedroom number 5. if you wanted to. So you can see this is a big closet. Okay. All right, so stepping into the bathroom here, you've got your toilet area back here. I know, that's boring. But a couple bonuses there, nice big window right there. And then coming back into this area here, stepping back into the bedroom to show you nice big countertop there. You got this large garden tub. And check out the shower. Hold on, let's step back. How cool this is. First of all, you have the light coming through the window right through here, which is nice. You got 1, 2 shower heads. How about that? Nice, cool space back here. And very echoey. Okay, so now let's head upstairs to show you guys what that looks like. Heading back towards the front door here. And up we go. Oh, this is a kind of a cool view of the kitchen from up here. And coming this way, give you a view to the downstairs. So really cool open space here. We're gonna step into the bedroom right here first. Okay, so this bedroom looks out to the backyard. You can see all the space here. Okay, you got the bathroom right here. Nice big bathroom. Really upgraded too as well. You got all the extras here, like the shelves there. Got that extra window up there, and then upgraded lighting package as well. Great looking bathroom. Okay, so here's bedroom number 2 upstairs. Got the big windows right there. This is bedroom number 3 upstairs. So you have 3 bedrooms upstairs, the master bedroom on the main, and the office, which could be even another bedroom. So you could have 5 bedrooms total here if you needed that for your family. Okay, let's go check out the basement. Okay, so the basement is unfinished, but they have finished the space to the basement, which always looks good. So coming out of the basement, you can see you got 3 doors here. We'll go to that one last. Let's check out what's in here. Okay, so this is gonna be like a storage area right here. Got cold storage underneath here as well, which is always nice to have. And this could be a bedroom. It's kind of, it would be a small bedroom, but you do have the window there. You just need to put in a closet. Come on through here. You can see you got your furnace right here. And you have instant hot water, as well as, this is kind of a bonus. You don't normally see this with builders, but they've got the water softener in here as well. Electrical panel. Now, stepping back to this area here, under the stairs, you have some storage. Nice to have that space there. We'll peek in and see how they finished it. Oh, it goes all the way around the corner. I'm not gonna go in there. And here we go. Look at this massive, massive space down here. Let's check out this area first, actually. Okay, so the plumbing here on the floor, that's for a bathroom. So basically, you're able to put a bedroom and bathroom, kind of whatever you want with this area here. I'll step in this corner to show you how much size is here, because it's quite a lot of space. And then I forgot to turn on the lights in this section, sorry. But got another bedroom possibly back here. And then just look at how huge this space is here. And you notice they put insulation along all the exterior walls. That's normal. Builders in Utah are required to do that. But you can see you got another space here, which you could use as a family area or another bedroom. But look at this. Oh my gosh, there's so much space here. You could do the coolest family area. Got a couple windows over here, so there's plenty of natural light coming in. One last time, you feel for the space. This beautiful home was built by Ivory Homes. If you like this home, but maybe it's too big or not quite what you're looking for, they actually have other quick move-in homes available right now. So feel free to reach out to me if you'd like to see those homes or like to see that list or have any other questions. And I'll be touring another home here in just a second. I'll put a link to that video below as well. If you're looking to buy, sell, or build a home here in Utah, I get contacted all the time. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I would love to hear from you. If you have a friend or a family looking to buy a house, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Remember, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. It'll make you feel good.